I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You will install the dedicated Wallpaper app and give it the permissions it needs. First, choose Wallpaper Engine or Rainmeter and enable Run at Logon. This ensures the program launches when you sign in. Once done, grant any requested admin privileges so the app can keep the wallpaper active across sessions. Make sure you apply the animation as the desktop background, not as a screensaver or lock screen, so Windows treats it as the live wallpaper you want to preserve. Now you make the wallpaper persistent. Create a task scheduler task that launches the Wallpaper app at logon with highest privileges and a short delay. This guarantees it starts after user processes. Then adjust power and battery settings so background apps are allowed and sleep won't suspend the renderer. Also exclude the Wallpaper app from Windows optimization and battery saver so the system doesn't kill it. These steps keep the animation running reliably across routine system events and profile restores. Finish by locking down common interruptions and testing. Disable the Show Desktop hotkey or hot corners that clear widgets, and confirm the wallpaper survives reboots and full-screen games. Make sure the scheduler task restarts on failure. If you still lose the wallpaper, run the app as a background service or reinstall it and reapply the task scheduler task. This often fixes permission or race conditions. If nothing works, restart the app after a clean boot to isolate third-party conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.